Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can set up next actions in Todoist. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, go to Todoist.com and log in to your Todoist account. Once you're inside the main dashboard, we're going to go to the left panel and we're going to hover our mouse on My Projects. And we're going to add another project by clicking right here. And then, from the drop-down menu, click on Add Project. Now, say this would be our next actions. Then, we can select the color. Then, click on Add. From here, we can add different sections to categorize all the plans or next actions that we want to do. Let's add two sections to start. And let's add another one. First, for this section, we'll put in ministry, then add section, and let's add another one for work. Now, how can we do this? First, under ministry, I am going to add one task. Let's say, practice for Sunday worship. Drums or piano as a description. And then we're going to add that task. Now, we're going to hover our mouse here and we're going to select on more actions again for edit task. Then click here. And from here, we can add labels. Let's say history. And we can also add a date, or we can set a date or set a deadline for Todoist to set a reminder for us to have. Say August 25. And then we can select a priority for it. Either priority 1, which would be red, priority 2, which would be yellow, priority 3 would be blue, or priority 4, which would be white. And we can select a reminder if it's either before task right here. And we simply need to add a date and time to the task first. That. Now, as you can see, once we save this, this would now be our next actions. So it would depend on how you would set the deadlines and everything for Todoist to remind you of what's next for you to do. And that's it. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!